This is the truly massive Rio Grande River. We're doing great. We're 100% now. We are on our way to Big Bend. First stop is Marathon, Texas. 8:20, woohoo! 25, so that's Am I a nervous passenger?
Yes.
Unbeknownst to us, we found a Stonehenge in Texas. The Meteor Crater Museum. Where are we gonna eat today, hon?
I do not know how to say that.
It's a Mexican place. Looks pretty good and authentic. You know, there's nothing.
Like a grandpa.
I'm gonna film this and you can't stop me from doing it. Look out, 40 mph. Or just chill out, you don't have to stop. Ooh. Now, see, there was something.
Wow!
Driving into town now. We have made it to our first stop. This is a little town called Marathon, Texas. We've found our way into just the craziest little town with the funkiest little things. It's so quiet, we don't hear the sound of cars at all. We have a little water pump right up here doing its thing. We're staying in the little house that you see right over here. You get to focus. That one. We're surrounded by mountains and wind, nature, and a lot of bugs too, but that's okay. Spiritual. It's a spiritual setting. It is 7 a.m. We woke up naturally. This wonderful place provided us with coffee. We had our guardian skeleton watch over us at night. One probably forgot about this. There's the bathroom, censored. Gotta turn away from that. And our wonderful little fireplace. And our little palace.
We're about to go to the park now. Let's go.
Yeah. This place treated us well. I'm the most awkward on film here, but treated us well. Oh, it's the birdies! Whee! It's 7:30 in the morning. We got a beautiful view of the sunrise. We got our creepy little house over there. And we're gonna head out pretty soon to Big Bend. Here's our little casa. Walk back here. Entrance as needed. Hello. We're on our way to the next interpretive center. Your favorite word, one, right? Beat you up. Here we go through the tunnel. Rio Grande Overlook. See what that is. We are hiking the Rio Grande Overlook here. We'll show you guys what it looks like on top. And the mountains you see right across from us is Mexico. And that's some horse shit. But Mexico across the way and US right where we are now. Kind of funky. I'm gonna hit the banks of Mexico about being in Mexico. 1, 2, 3. Mexico! Go for it. Mexico! You did it! You have illegally crossed the border. We're out here.
We're already maintaining ourselves.
No, we're doing great. We're 100% now. But we are hiking through a gorgeous part. We see people trying to sell little trinkets for $10.
Which is very smart.
I think they must have crossed the border, but we don't have any money on us.
We're going to hot spring. Oh, this is terrible.
Yeah, we're on our way to the hot springs. It's pretty crazy here. There's palm trees and stuff. Right?
Yeah? They are not stopping, which is kind of...
Yeah, no, you just kind of have to do this. This is our campsite and we're working on breakfast. We stayed in the little tent thing behind us, working on some coffee and oatmeal. They don't provide water here, so we have to bring it in from wherever it has it. The view from our campsite is great. Look over here and you see the mountain ranges and a beautiful sunrise. About 7:30 right now in the morning. Come over here and we head over towards more mountain ranges. Big Bend is over in that direction. And the town is over there too. We are at the Window Trail Overlook. We were told that we didn't bring enough water for the day. We brought about 2.5 liters. They said 3 liters per person, so we grabbed some more water from the car.
It's so windy.
It's so windy, I almost lost my hat. Oh, that's cool. We're opening up into this canyon. Nice rock. We're in this like dried out riverbed. You're good, right there. Not the best idea then. And then it wasn't.
Hey.
Almost to the top. We've been hiking for about 2 hours. We were all the way down there. Look at the mountains. So pretty. Now we continue up the trail. This way. Hike a second time. Oh, liking it? Or is it a bit much? Endless stairs, endless stairs. So the trail's become a little more primitive at this point. There's no longer dirt on it. Little specks of it though. It's turned mostly into rock. Looks like it's kind of rudely carved to what resembles a path. Oh, a little slippy there. Gotta be careful here.
Excuse me.
You gotta take a quick break here. You can do this. Let's check out this viewpoint first. Whoa. Look out. I think that must be it up there. That's gonna be our destination. You ready to finish this hike off? Let's get to the end. Let's go. Let's get a woot woot. Come on, hon, woot woot. Let's go. We're at the very top here. We're gonna walk over to that little spit. Then we're gonna head back home for the day. This has been such a worthwhile hike. Hey, Dit, what's your thought? Yeah, it's really steep. We're making our way back. This is a little sketchy, but we're gonna do it safely. Yeah, just stay near those plants there. Over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. Ba-dum, ba-dum, da-dum, 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 da-dum. Walking through the tunnel made of trees to see the gorgeous view. It's gonna be right soon in a little bit or two. And my lyrics are great. Should I quit my engineering job and be a singer-songwriter?
No,
We need to eat and rent our soon-to-be very expensive apartment. So this is our last day. I'm packing up our little A-frame here. And then we're gonna get going. It's gonna make coffee, but I think that we're just gonna try to get out of here. It's actually a pretty nice morning. Not bad at all. But time to shuffle shit around so one doesn't have to do all of it, and we'll get going and find like a coffee shop somewhere down the road. See ya. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Texas.